apologize. Here we are shooting an f3.4, but if we were to change that to an f20, you can see that everything else is falling in focus. Change it to an f22, and it's more what you would see with your human eye. We'll switch that back to an f3. As you can see, this very much separates the subject from the background. Why is this good? Well, it can tell a story different. Here, it looks like we're focusing on the background, but here, it looks like we're just talking about a twig in nature. And I'm not even changing my focus. If I changed my focus to the background back there, like those trees, now, when I change this f-stop, look how different this twig in the foreground looks. As you can see, now we're focusing on the back, and that's the story we're telling. Whereas when we're doing this, we're just talking about the stuff behind the branch, and we might have just gotten out of focus of this twig, rather than focusing on the twig and nothing else. So that's f-stop in a very, very short nutshell. So here we are shooting at an f3.5 with a wide-angle lens, and as you can see, I'm starting to look a little funky, right?